Hello, my name is Grivani Devaman. I'm currently pursuing post-graduation diploma in advertising, design and digital communication from Ecolintuit Lab. I did my graduation in BCom honors from Delhi University, and after my graduation, I worked for a year in operations at a fashion startup company. I was also helping them with their marketing. There I was exposed to the creative side of the business, and then I decided that maybe I should try something in design since I've always had a creative nick to myself. Then I stumbled upon Ecolintuit Lab, and studying here, the experience has been great so far. Since I'm in PG, all of my batchmates also come from non-design background. It's really a positive thing because you get to talk to people who pursued history or geography or science, and you get to understand their perspective as well and their background, and to implement all of those things into the designs that we make is really great opportunity for us. The course is really good. Like, it has a really rounded approach to the creative as well as the strategic side of design, and we're learning the psychology behind the consumer, how the consumer behaves, how to present ourselves, or the storytelling that we do in our designs. The faculty here is great. The networking that you get here is amazing. So you get exposure to a lot of their fields as well and what they're doing, their business. So the learning that we do here is is very collaborative. We not just get to work within ourselves within the batch, but we also have workshops and events where we get to collaborate with other batches as well. For example, game art and design, and we get to know their perspective as well and what that industry is doing. We're not just learning about visual communication, but we're also learning about different fields in design like game art and art direction. There are a lot of different fields. Currently, I'm in my last sem and I'm currently building my portfolio, and the faculty here has been really helpful. I can approach different faculties and ask them what I can do to make my portfolio better, and so that I can send my portfolios to different industries.